So that's been it, guys. Next we are going to Utamaduni, another place we saw the other time we were in Kariandusi. By the way, if you haven't checked out that video, I link it here. We're heading to that place because we realized like they have crocodiles, ostriches, snakes. So it was just interesting to visit the place. So what's up, guys? We are at the Utamaduni Nature Park, and the last time we were here, me and Sam, we were at the Kariandusi Prehistoric Site, and we saw the sign of Utamaduni Nature Park, and we decided, why not come and see what's here? By the way, Kariandusi Prehistoric Site is somewhere there. So let's go and see what's inside this place. Just paid for the ticket this place, which is 200 for adults and 100 for kids. And first stop is the gallery. So one thing that is apparent is that when you are inside here, you have to crouch. You can't stand like straight. We are done with the villages, and next we are going to see the nature park, which consists of crocodiles, ostrich, lizards. Yeah. Columbus monkey or what? I think they are two.
Why are you so restless.
What the hell, man? Who litters at this place? Look at the litter. So that's been it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, and also if you are new here, subscribe to the channel down below. And that's a wrap.